In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your account from Robinhood to TD Ameritrade. So if you're looking to move your investments or take advantage of TD Ameritrade advanced features, this guide will walk you through the process. So unfortunately, due to restrictions in Robinhood and Ameritrade, because it is only available for US citizens, so we'll base to our research. So assumingly we have an access to Robinhood account and to the TD Ameritrade. So make sure before initiating the transfer, make sure you are already eligible. So your Robinhood account must be a taxable account, not an IRA or retirement account, and then your TD Ameritrade's account must support the same type of account. So, for example, taxable brokerage account, and that's it. So gather the following information to help you through the transfer. So you need to prepare your information. So your Robinhood account should be there, and then the TD Ameritrade's account number, and then your personal details to verify identity. So if you don't already have a TD Ameritrade's account, you will need to open one before transferring. So you need to go to the TD Ameritrade's official website and then click the open new account and complete the application process by providing personal information. And then once your TD Ameritrade's account is set up, you can begin the transfer from Robinhood. So just log into your TD Ameritrade and then navigate the My Account sections and click Transfer Accounts. Then after that, select Transfer from the Another Brokerage, and then TD Ameritrade's offered two transfer methods. So the first option is the ACAT transfer or automated customer account transfer service. This is the most common method that will transfer all of your assets from Robinhood to TD Ameritrade, including stocks, options, ETFs, etc. So your Robinhood account will be closed once the transfer is complete. And then the second option or method is the non-ACAT transfer for certain assets that can be transferred via ACAT. So if you have non-transferable asset like certain options contracts, you may need to transfer them manually. And then after that, complete the transfer request, fill out the transfer form on TD Ameritrade's platform, and then provide the account details from Robinhood and verify your information, and then submit your request to TD Ameritrade. And then after that, review and confirm the transfer. So once you've submitted the request, TD Ameritrade will send the transfer request to Robinhood. You may need to confirm the transfer request via email or other communication from Robinhood, and then wait for the transfer to be processed. So it usually takes about 5 to 7 business days. So it can take up sometimes to 10 business days. And then after that, monitor the transfer, and then once transfer is complete, your bank account will be closed, and you can review your investments in your TD Ameritrade account and make sure your all assets have transferred successfully. And that's how you transfer your Robinhood account to TD Ameritrade. The process is simple, but sure to check all your details to ensure a smooth transfer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.